About T-shaped marketer? Yes, I am talking about alphabet TT for Tiger. T-shaped marketer is a marketer who knows about several fields of marketing but has in-depth knowledge in one field. Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Singh. You are watching This is Digital Marketing and we are going to talk about T-shaped marketer and how you can be a T-shaped marketer. Marketing is actually an umbrella term and is divided into several verticals. For example, content marketing, paid media marketing, social media marketing. You can also further divide content marketing into things like email marketing. There is something called as web designing, customer experience management, app marketing, mobile marketing, desktop marketing. You have a lot of verticals. And when you gain knowledge and expertise in one of these verticals in depth, you become a T-shaped marketer. What do I mean? Let's take example of paid media marketing. When you are a paid media marketer and you know everything about Google ads, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, LinkedIn ad, YouTube ads, basically all kinds of ads, then you become a T-shaped marketer when it comes to paid media. Let's talk about what are the benefits of being a T-shaped marketer. When you are a T-shaped marketer, you are great at three things. One, you have knowledge of all the verticals but have in-depth knowledge in one. So you are a great asset to company. Two, you can actually grow pretty quickly in your role because of your in-depth knowledge in one field. And third, you can demand higher salary because of the knowledge and command you have in one particular vertical. Now let's come to the most important point. How can you be a T-shaped marketer? How can you command higher salary and authority in your company? This will take a little bit of research and a lot of introspection. What do I mean? Go on the internet and figure out digital marketing as an umbrella term constitutes of what all? Content marketing, paid media marketing, web designing, graphic designing, consumer research, app marketing. There are so many fields. Figure out where do you want to start. Once you figure that out, do an introspection. Where is your expertise? Are you good at analytical thinking or are you good at creative thinking? Do you want to be on the content side of things or do you want to be on the analytics side of things? Do you love numbers or do you love words and creative designs? Think about it and choose a career path. Once you do that, if you are just starting, I would say take a structured learning path. Take some courses. It is not necessary that you only take certification courses or paid courses. You can even go and take free courses via YouTube, via HubSpot, Google, Facebook. All of these have free courses. Facebook has something called as Facebook Blueprint. Google has something called Google Garage. HubSpot has HubSpot Academy. All these courses are free. Go and take the structured learning path. You can also go to Udemy and take really inexpensive courses from there. This will give you knowledge to get started in that field. Now, as you work on the job, gradually start building skill sets in that particular field. For example, if you're working in a company on Google Ads, try to gradually expand your wings and start doing Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, and that's how you grow. Keep learning on the side and gradually keep growing. This will help you become a T-shaped marketer. So that's all for now. If you have any questions, do comment and let me know. As always, the best way to learn is by asking questions. And see you in the next video.